Hello, everybody. This is Drake Rage, and today I'm joined by
my soon-to-be channel, Colonel Fox, which I don't have out yet, sadly. It's going to be an animation gotcha. Okay, I will say that some other time. Goodbye.
Wait, what am I doing in the theater?
Wait, you're in your theater
Mm-hmm.
that I built for you?
Yes.
Wow, thank you would be nice. I'm already starting Minecraft, so do whatever. I think this channel. You know what, Ernest?
What?
You know
What?
Or should I say Drake?
Yeah, you should say Drake. My official name is Ernest, but my YouTube channel name is Drake. My toes are on. Yes.
I think I've gotten better at building houses. Do you think I should actually build a house on the surface for us, like for a surface house? Because I think it would be more efficient that way.
Yeah, we could try. I see a slim. Slim!
Slime.
Yo, go into the comments and do hashtag slim.
You gotta turn on comments for that.
I did. Also, how am I gonna get back up? Ooh.
Proceed.
Enjoyed the game.
You wanna see my Christmas avatar?
We need to get back up, Ava. Hurry before more monsters come.
You always just see my back all the time. I'm glad that I did this, don't you?
Yeah. This is Ava.
I am wait, I'm gonna take off all my things so you can see.
Hold up, I need to eat. Oh, I just realized now I need to.
Hold on, let me. You can see
Do we need more food?
I got rotten flesh. Want some rotten flesh for dinner? Here, have some rotten flesh. You have no.
Hold up, Ava, a new sapling!
Wait, I gotta go check.
Arcada trees!
Can we please show, this is a new world for them and we've already got like a bunch of stuff. Like, do you want to show them around our fortress? Or do you want me to show them? Here, let me show them around. So you walk into the master
Yes.
bedroom.
This was previously our entrance. We have actually two entrances.
If it wasn't for me, then we would never have this home because I fell down this and you were just looking down it, so.
Yeah, I was just like, huh?
So I'm like, no. This is literally me. I'm like, help me. This is just different, whatever. And then this is gonna be the soon-to-be kitchen.
Yes, I already. Those right there
are his.
Those are my furnaces.
Now we have our beautiful nether portal that I had to get, not you. You didn't do anything. I did everything here, and you never did me anything. You just helped me fight when you're afraid of Enderman. Anyways, this is your bedroom.
Yes.
I had to help Reno. Don't make me come at you with this sword. Well, I forgot.
Friendly fire is off.
Anyway, why is there this hole? What did you do?
It's a movie theater.
But there's a door right here.
Yes.
So what's this big giant hole?
That's the back entrance for the master.
Why is there no door?
Because I can't make door. God, I'm gonna make some doors.
This is his room. Come on. Now you get to see my perfect room.
Door.
Come on.
Hold up, I'm trying to. The back is gonna be oak doors. Yes, I know, I'm creative.
You only have oak doors. I also have this pretty sapling.
Plant it.
I'll plant it later.
Oh, I nearly went into the nether.
Anyway, alright, come here, Ernest. I want to show him this. My blood.
This is technically where we throw away all of the stuff we don't need.
This is my trash chute.
We just throw.
It has the blood because I accidentally touched it a few days back.
You don't bleed from touching lava.
Well, I'm just a cool Minecrafter. Here is where we store all of our...
Yes, we have an Eye of Ender and a clock, which we don't have enough leather or wood to make.
I'm sure I have it. This is my golden apple.
I found that.
Oh, wait. We can always make more when I start having our farm here.
And this is Ava's,
Don't touch my potato!
I'm not, I'm looking. This is Ava's, shrine.
Did you mess it up?
No. And this is our enchantment table. We use books to power it, but we only have 2 bookcases.
That you stole? I have to do all this stuff and you just
Ugh. Anyways, this is her Zen garden, or a want-to-be Zen garden.
I don't care about Zen gardens anymore. And I have a perfect one right down here. Come on, let's go show them the Zen garden that I built.
You
by myself.
Ava, I helped you get dirt.
It's dirt though. Whee!
I also helped you get the sand. I also helped you get some flowers.
Ooh, who planted the potatoes? Oh right, it was empty. Alright, this is our beautiful Zen garden.
Yes, I shall grab some potato and then plant another potato.
Do I have any potatoes in my... No. So
the holy potato.
Alright, now since this I fell off this.
I'm enjoying the spa.
Good for you. Soon we're gonna have a magma stuff when I go back in the nether when someone's not scared. I'm looking at you, Ernest.
Ava.
You know what's funny? I have so many diamonds and I choose not to use them on what we should use, like diamond materials.
Like a diamond sword.
And we need apples.
Ava, we need to go to bed. It's getting nighttime, but unless you want to kill mobs.
We need to kill Enderman.
Let's then kill them!
We need food.
I've had my fair share with Enderman with Graham in his Minecraft dungeons.
Oh, so you're a scaredy cat. You're a scaredy cat with Enderman's dun-dun? This is Minecraft illegalness. We need to show them the illegal Minecraft lava.
Okay.
Down in the mines, remember? Remember?
Hey, I finally landed on it for once.
Remember the Minecraft?
Oh yeah, the illegal.
The illegal Minecraft non-logic lava.
Yeah. I just one-shotted a zombie.
Good for you.
I see. Yeah, this is not. This is.
It's standing on one block.
What is this? What is this? Not logic. Not logic. Not logic.
Don't break that block, or else the logic. It's our god, okay? That's what's going on.
That's a logic.
It's
That's non-logic. I'm telling you. This lava has broken Minecraft logic.
Well, look, it's our pillar holding up the whole thing, so we gotta keep it like that.
It honestly is.
It's honestly the only thing that's holding up our amounts of amusement. Honestly, I need to. You know what? I need to make a sign. I need to go.
You need to make a sign saying "not logic."
Not
logical.
Logical. Alright, I'm done.
Let's go kill some mobs. Let's go kill
In the
Enderman.
end. Hola! Alright, never mind. I'm so hungry right now.
I have food.
You need to go hunting more often. This is why we should have a base up on the land.
could have 2 bases.
Oh, so you want to...
Hi, zombie. Hi, Husk. Get back.
This is one of the reasons I hate living in the desert, but you made me drag into the census of your world. Creeper!
Just go in it! Ah!
Creeper! Jump, man. You saw how I jumped over. I'm just gonna be running around chaos.
Oh, come on!
I'm just being dumb now. Oh, hello. Hola.
Oh, I need to eat.
Hola,
I need to
amigo.
eat. I need to eat. I need to eat.
I found a lot of iron.
Where?
Right down there. You know what really help? A bow and arrow.
Yeah, we need to... Spider, spitter.
Spooder.
Mine!
Spooder man.
Spooderman does whatever a spooder can.
Suit to mob any size. Catches our teeth right in time. Look out. Here comes the spooder. Creeper man! Stop shooting me. Yay!
Finally.
Did you get some gunpowder?
No.
Yay, creeper! I almost died. Look at all this water.
It's a witch!
Oh, holy crap, my only weakness. I'm gonna go. Goodbye, everyone. Hola, bye-bye.
Oh!
Hola, as in bye-bye.
Ah!
Oh, no.
Get my stuff! Get my stuff!
I can't. My inventory is full. At least we have a spawn point. Come up here.
Protect me. I am a walking duck. I'm a sitting duck.
Not to me. You look like a grown man.
I need all my stuff. I need all my stuff back.
Here, hold. Creeper!
Where's my stuff?
Where are we? Witches? Everyone hates witches. They're literally a witch. That doesn't make sense, does it?
No, it doesn't. Give me my stuff back, Ava.
Honestly, I have nothing. Okay.
Protect me while I'm suiting back up.
I am. And you say I'm not the god in shining armor.
Never will I be near a witch ever again.
Well, too bad. We need to get their potion.
Shoot.
In the future.
Yes.
When we're almighty. I should have a diamond sword.
Wait,
not
how
you,
did you...
That's much.
Ava.
How do I? What now?
Oh, I see an Enderman.
Kill it! We have the blaze rods. So what were you going to ask me, Ernest? How do I... There's 2!
Oh.
Look at him in the eye.
I killed him! I got his Ender Pearl.
Alright, let's see if we can get one more. It's almost daytime. Never mind.
Sharpness! Gunpowder!
I got his gunpowder. I'm just beating the crap out of everyone. Hello, Creeper. Bye-bye. Have a great time.
I only lost 1 heart because I was in water.
I'm so happy that I get to get launched around by creepers. Oh, hello, boyfriend. You're a tall grass. I know.
Oh, I see another one.
I'm happy that this is a biome that
Oh.
we're... Hola, amigos. Come here.
I hit him.
Let me look at him. In the eyes. Let me look at him. I want to spawn in another. Wait, stop. Hang on. I'm a girl. Why am I getting tossed around by a stupid, tall man?
Ava, we may actually spend our entire night just hunting.
Good.
And I also give me.
I got an ender pearl.
I got an ender pearl. We should not waste these. We should not waste these by having fun teleporting.
Make sure to eat plenty of food.
Bro, I'm at full health.
Oh no! Oh no! It's my worst enemy, Ernest. Did you die?
No, I'm trying.
Ernest, there's a mob of villager zombies. Why am I so afraid of them? They're zombies. Have a great time. Bye.
I'm getting more gunpowder by the second.
Dead memes over here. Like, I am egg dog. Why is every zombie in the world aiming for me? They're like, okay, let's get this one. Yeah.
Okay, Ava. Where are any more spiders or endermen?
There's scooters right now.
I hear one.
Oh, it's daytime.
Becoming day.
Oh, we need to get on a mountain and say hi to Venya. So you can walk. But I'm gonna go do that. I'm starving, so I'm probably not gonna make it at home. Oh, and oh my god, it's so Minecraft things are so like pretty. I see a witch. So she's a witch.
That's probably the same witch that killed me.
Good for you.
Oh, you're just scaling it without me. Good job, Ava.
Sorry. Now it's time for my ultimate transformation. I am becoming the one and only
Penguiny.
Rain 11 has changed the reindeer skin.
I killed her and got some sticks. But not without taking some hearts. Oh, I'm poisoned. I'm being poisoned.
I have hearts and I'm starving. Because I'm Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Had a very shiny nose. And if you never saw it, you would not even say it glows. All of the other reindeer.
Ava, you're just saying that while I'm at half a heart.
I'm at half a heart and I'm starving.
Dude, I fought a witch and nearly died because of that. I'm getting us leather.
Want some mutton?
I thought I picked up the mutton.
I got some cooked mutton right here.
Yes, please.
Here, I also have this golden mutton. It's not mine.
Yeah, I literally found a desert
Merry Christmas! I'm Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Did you even notice me?
Yes. From the top row, he comes down, and it's John Cena.
What's with you when you're in love with John Cena?
I'm not healing. I'm not healing.
Are you eating?
I will eat.
I'm hungry. But I'm Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. I'm literally about to die.
If I take even one jump, I will die.
I am about to die. I'm hungry and
I'm hungry.
I'm at one food bar. One food bar and 1.5.
Where are you?
I'm at 1.5 hearts and I'm at one food bar. If I take one damage, I'm about to die.
Eat. You need nutrition.
Yeah.
Need nutrition. Let's go home. I'll kick up some more food. That'll hold you off for now. Oh, there's a desert temple.
Desert temple? Wait, that's a new one. That's a new one. The other one's in the opposite direction. I'm gonna head back.
I'm gonna go explore.
If you find any good food, give it to me. Like potatoes.
Oh, I don't have any torches. Ava,
I have
oh,
torches.
I have 2 torches. No.
Wait, I don't have any torches.
Ava.
I don't have any.
No, you explored this.
I did.
Yeah, look.
Oh yeah, I did. That's the one when I was having the dumb moment. Like when I got the diamond llamas.
Like when I got the diamond llamas.
No, these little llamas for a farm. It's a first and more farm. Now time to craft. There's a creepy sound out of here.
I found zombie flesh. Probably
Leave.
from a husk.
Come here. Llama. I got a llama for us. Wow, he's hitting me.
He's spitting on you. Yes, I know. Shut up. Stop making creepy sound.
Yeah, I heard a creepy sound as well. Come here, my llama friend.
I need... Yeah, I can cook some 10 beef.
Ernest, should we get sheep, baby cow, or llama? Llama.
Sheep, baby cow?
Llama. Sheep, baby cow, llama.
You better hope that llama doesn't spat on you.
It did once, but I'm okay.
Ah!
Oh, there's this
Oh,
unfinished nether portal
Yeah, that was the same unfinished nether portal we encountered.
that I had to loot.
Yes, for their obsidian. Ava, where are you right now?
I don't know, I'm at a dead end and I'm trying to figure out how to get back to camp. Come here.
Just find sand.
Found sand.
Yeah, that's where we are.
Oh, yeah, that is where we are. Come on, llama, let's go kill you. Let's see what
You
are.
want him for leather? Ava!
Aw. We need a farm. We need another llama.
We want to have llamas.
Ernest, can you make a llama habitat for him? I'm gonna throw him down there in our spa area. Okay, hopefully he doesn't fall off. Don't you dare fall. If you fall, llama, that's your end. I am not gonna bury a grave for you.
Ow!
I think we need a staircase instead of a ladder.
Yeah, ladders are way too dangerous.
No! Llama, don't you?
Yes, my raw beef. My beef. Now put the mutton in. I need to
Come
eat.
here.
I need food. Food!
The transportation was successful. We have the llama in.
Okay, now all we need is to block it. We don't have fences.
Honestly,
I'm going
Jerry, you can live in my room.
Jerry, I'm going to minus fences.
He can stay with me.
Oh!
What happened?
Yeah, ladders are way too dangerous. I tried to scale this.
Mm-hmm. Now for animals, I figured out a good way for the animal. Jerry, where are you gonna stay? I'm trying to figure out. We can put him in the nether. Yeah, no. That's not gonna happen. Oh, I know. Remember that mini cave? The mini cave that we found, like on the. I'm not gonna. Come on, Jerry. You're gonna stay where my room was supposed to be. But we didn't. Have a nice time. Have a nice time. You'll have a better habitat sometime when Ernest gets me a lot of other stuff.
Excuse me? I will craft the stuff for him.
I don't know where our farm should
Ava, I am literally mining Acada trees so you can get your stupid fences.
I'm trying to make his home. Where should we have the...
Dad.
Where my llama farm is!
Rain will not have fell from a high place.
At least it's at home. Why did I spawn in your bedroom? You know what? We're not going to talk about it, okay?
I do not know. How much Acada wood do I have? 18. Yeah, that's probably
No. It's going to be for a lot more animals than just
Might as well kill this cow while I'm at it. No more food for everyone. Ooh. I found another llama, Ava!
I know where that guy is. I'm gonna come sometime to retrieve him.
Hello, please don't spit on me. Okay. You mind your own business and I'll mind mine.
Get it? Mine.
And I'm
Minecraft. Oh, you got that.
Haha, very funny.
Thank you for at least supporting my terrible pun. I got
29 is 29 enough.
A bit more. Probably 30.
Okay.
Ah, shoot! Oh. Oh, thank you for the free dirt, Mr. Creeper. Apparently I was near dirt. Oh, but so that was funny, but never mind.
Oh.
You know what? I'm too tired to deal with you today. Here, take a hoe. I hope you.
If you want help, I can help you.
I hope you have a nice Christmas. Because I'm holding a hoe. And then kill him with. We need to get rid of the slime problem.
Hold up, I'll deal with him.
How do we get back up? Why did I make this so complicated?
Ava, I know the way back up.
I got it. I got up. Why did I make it so complo? You know?
Actually, I made it complo.
Why did you do that?
I don't know, I just added random blocks into a weird staircase. What time are we at right now? Hold up.
How about we do this? We end off the episode with me building it. With the thing ended.
Okay.
And that would only take a few minutes. And then we can...
Ava, I have your wood.
Johnny, are you there?
Yes, here's your wood. Plop. Wood!
Thank you for throwing it up.
What?
Thank you for throwing it up.
My feet are cold.
Good job for you.
What is this?
What is that?
Oh!
Yeah, it's my terrible building skills. I was thinking, I have this water bucket that's full of water.
I have this water bucket and it's full of water. It literally has water in the name.
We're so weird.
Ava, do you want to go to the Nether and maybe die to some blazes?
Do you want to build a snowman?
And possibly die from it, from the Nether.
Do you want to build
a snowman?
No, it's too cold outside, Anna. Okay.
Hold up, I need to cover up this weirdo.
This is not going to be available for another long time.
I'm covering this up.
So our Zen garden will have animals in it now.
Yay.
Like chickens and horses and so much more.
I suppose they need headspace.
Do you want to build a snowman?
No, it's too cold outside, Anna.
Why? Why Sir Snuggles? That's your new name, Sir Snuggles.
My name is Sir Snuggles.
Name you Sir Snuggles.
Ava,
Yeah.
I can't get through. I need help.
Walk.
Uncle. Wait, why is there a staircase? Just
It's rocks. It's rocks.
you think rocks form like stairs? Can also be.
Very much.
What did you?
I died. That's what I did.
And I think well, I'm gonna take some sugar cane.
No, it's supposed to be a sugarcane farm. You gotta harvest the top, not the bottom. Then plant some more until we have a full-growing thing. You know. I should probably change back into a better avatar farm.
Abraham 11 has changed the route scale.
Okay, better.
Let me see.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's a better skin.
This is
What did you just teleported from my screen?
good for you. Everything's clicking. Spooter!
Where's Spooter?
I kill it.
How did you kill it in one hit?
Because I'm strong.
I killed a zombie in one hit.
Then you're weak.
Cole.
Cool.
You got mayo.
Hmm.
We're gonna summon the Mayo Man.
The Mayo Man!
Wait, what's the Mayo Man got to do with mayo? No, Devin, not the Mayo Man, the Mayo Man. You're saying the same thing. Here, look, you'll understand it.
So,
Mm-hmm. You've got mayo.
Mayo.
You've got mayo. Yeah, I can see that. I think my pickaxe is about to break.
You're not taking my. Never mind. Are you cooking some food?
I think I cooked food.
Check.
Check one of my furnaces.
Too bad. I'm gonna go get Johnny or Jimmy.
Who's
Should
Jimmy?
we call our new member of our team Jimmy or Johnny?
Guys, let us know down in the description.
No, I wanna call Johnny.
It's a vote, okay? In the comments, Johnny or Jimmy, guys.
I say Jimmy.
All right, so we have a vote for Jimmy. Guys, there's actually this weird
Wee! Come on, Jimmy. You know what? We're just gonna call him JJ till now, until we find out. Hey, I guess we should end it here with Johnny.
Look it, guys, I have a secret.
You better not have stolen my diamonds.
No, your diamonds are all still there. You gave me 3, remember?
Oh, right. Actually, you had 2 in your chest, right?
No, I had 3.
Do you have any blaze rods?
No.
But I thought we had a bunch.
Yeah, I thought that too.
Hold on. I think I may have them. Oh yeah, I have them. Woo, what will we do without me? Probably all die. Hi, Ernest. Give me your ender pearl.
Okay.
Make me up in my base.
Hopefully I don't throw this.
I swear to God, Ernest, if you throw, I will literally end you. Blaze powder. One eye of ender.
All right.
I'll give you some blaze powder as well.
we have some blaze rods so we can make blaze powder.
Here, and then we're gonna end the emphasis.
Then we could make magma cream, but we want an iron.
What does magma cream do?
I don't know. I think it's for brewing potion of fire resistance.
Anyway,
I have your Eye of Ender.
let's just say our goodbyes, and then we're gonna post another video in a few minutes.
Yeah. All right. Hold up, guys.
Since we cannot stop playing.
Yes. Guys, this is going to be it for the video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe.
I'm taller than you.
Yeah, I don't care. That's because I'm crouching. And I'll see you next time.